This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 60 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. This issue, we're starting on what they call it, the inner forearm. So yeah, the bit you can't see on any of the pictures. So we'll get to that soon. There's not actually any building to happen on this, so what we'll be doing is having a look at the build so far, basically. The power of the soul. That'd be the soul stone. The moodies, yeah, there we go. All dark and moody. Soul stone action. So yes, we've got the first part of the inner forearm, the gauntlet guard, which goes in there. And it's basically showing us all of the stuff that we've got so far, which I will get out and we'll have a good look at all of this so far. Now we've finished the finger. We'll compare it to the other finger and the thumb and see how it looks like it goes together. Terax, All Herald. Terax. Is he the one that's been in the films? I don't know his name. There we go. You can feel free to look at all of that. One more page there. Gene. Here we go. All of that for your viewing pleasure. So let me clear this out of the way. Let's bring in other parts and we'll have a look at the build so far. Right, so the part that they're supplying me with this time is just a bit. Can't do anything with it. But we'll be adding that at some point to the rest of the build. I think next time we get another slice of it that we're going to be attaching to this. And so this will be going onto the inner part of the hand. I can't tell which way round it will go either, but starting to build up the inner forearm there. So that will be a thing to the size of it when we get that attached. Because, of course, already we've built up the outer forearm. Getting this bit out always impresses me with the sheer size of it. So this is basically what we're going to be building up on the inside as well. So that is what we've got to go onto the inner, or the outer part of the hand. So that's going to go on there, down there, and make it far too big to fit on my bench without knocking everything flying. Even so, it's still too big to fit on the bench. Yeah, that's basically going to go on there like so, and make that size. That's just the outside bit of it. So as well as the outside piece, which we've already got, and the inside piece that we're going to be starting now. Obviously, we've got the inside and outside of the hand. That out of the way there. Obviously, to go onto the hand, we've got the fingers. So we've got our two fingers and our really meaty thumb. The thumb, of course, has a time stone of its very own, which goes on there. Still lights up. About time we did another time stone, or another stone, because we've got, what have we got? We've got 4 of them. There's two more to fill in the gaps there when we get to them. I do like them. They needed to glow. It was a bit of a strange twist to do a gauntlet, but yeah, it adds a certain thing to it, doesn't it? So yeah, we've got, obviously the thumb goes down there. Then we've got our 2 other fingers, which go there and there. So yeah, it really is coming together. I'm excited to be fitting these in there at some point. You can see how they're going to fit. They've obviously got the posts that go into these holes there, like that. like that. The thumb fits a little bit differently. Of course, I can't get that one lined up now. In there somewhere. For some reason I can't line that up. The thumb fits differently, obviously, because it's over the side there, but same sort of thing. Which will attach up in there. Oh. And then the outside bit. Doesn't have. Thought it was going to do. Oh yeah, it has. I was looking at it the wrong side. It's got exactly the same sort of bits, and the plate there that holds it all together. So yeah, everything's going to have to line up. It's going to be a tricky bit getting everything lining up and getting it all together, I think. But when it does, it's going to be quite impressive. Obviously, we've got the stand as well, which sort of mounts into the internal piece. It goes into this here, so that's where the stand sort of fits up, and it threads across to provide support. So yeah, it's definitely getting there. I am loving it. It's great. I wasn't sure that it was going to be a fun build, but it's proved to be sufficiently easy and sufficiently fun to make it worthwhile and enjoyable. So yeah, that is it. Another issue done. Let's see if I can't get that lined up now. I don't want to have to have done it wrong and got it the wrong way around or anything, but it's got to be that way around. Let's see if that one's getting in the way or something. Or it is. I'd say it's the wrong way around, but it's just a different way around to that one. That's got to go in there. Like that. Move that a bit. Not sure why I can't get that lined up, but I'm sure it does. The other one went in quite nicely. Sure, it's just me not getting things lined up properly. That is quite nice in there. With the right angle. I think that might have been my problem. Anywho, there we have it. Getting close to completion. 2 more fingers, and obviously the more around to go, and then putting it all together. So for now, that will be us. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now. I can't wave with either hand. I'm going to be waving with this hand soon. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye for now.